How to speed up YouTube videos more than 2x. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and in this video I will show you how to fast forward or rewind more than 10 seconds on the YouTube app. Without further ado, let's get started. Open YouTube application on your device and make sure that you log into your account. Proceed by tapping on the profile picture at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap gear icon at top right corner to access settings of YouTube. Tap on General. Scroll down and look the option for double tap to see. If you do not find this in this updated version, you need to head back to the home feed of YouTube. Launch a particular video and tap the gear icon on this video. Select the playback speed option and here you can easily prefer your skip time, for example 0.25x to 2x option. So now when you double tap on the right or the left side of the video, it will skip forward or backward by the time you select it. For now, let's choose 2x, and when you play the video, you can easily double tap on the right or left side of the video and skip forward or backward. So in this way, you can successfully speed up YouTube videos more than 2x. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.